Everyone, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x income system by Tabby D and why you still might think that it's a scam, or it may just be simply too good to be true, guys. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is pretty much the landing page for the 10x income system by Tabby D. And if we scroll down, you'll see here that you are getting autopilot traffic daily whenever you are using this system, guys. Lifelong traffic, never worry about traffic and or sales, never again. 100% passive, stop failing, and finally break through. And there's also a 365-day money-back guarantee. Now, how is this system so automated? Well, that's actually through Tabby D's traffic packages that you can purchase once you actually get into this income system, guys. So once you purchase the 10x income system for $297, that used to be $997, guys. There was a huge price cut. Um, that's how much it will cost officially today. Now this might actually change in the future, guys, but for now, as of making this video, it is $297 and everything is pretty much automated in this program, which means you will not have to go around messaging people, posting content, or anything like that, unless you want to, guys. But for the most part, this is an automated program that does involve additional purchases after you purchase the 10x Income System program for $297, guys. And this program is pretty new. It's actually only been out for about 2 weeks, guys. There are already plenty of people taking advantage of it. There's still not much people in this program as of right now, guys. There's not even 1,000 people who are members of this program, guys, and actually promoting it, guys. The reason that Tabby D is offering a 365-day money back guarantee is because she is so confident that people can actually get results for what she's providing here that she is actually willing to take a loss for it. So you can literally step into this program, try it out for a week, and if you don't get the results that you are looking for, you can actually get a complete refund, guys. Now, I don't think the refund counts for her traffic packages, guys. That's something you would have to see for yourself. But that is the fastest way to earn with Tabby D, guys. But there also is an organic way you can promote her content as well, guys. So there's two routes: organic and of course the traffic packages, guys. Now the organic is slower, guys, but over time, if you build that up, guys, that's a also another way you can actually get income with this, guys, without paying any additional money, guys. But if you want to get in and get some fast results, guys, I would highly recommend the traffic packages. I have not got one of these packages as of yet, guys, but I definitely plan to in a future video, guys. And once I do, I will make a video about it, guys, and give you a complete review of my experience. As usual, guys, there are links down below in the description, guys. If you have any questions or comments, uh, be sure to leave them down below, guys. And also, if this information was useful, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel, guys. All right. Until next time, guys. See you later.